Oh man, we're stuck up here now. I wish those silly Bok Choy boys wouldn't get us up here. Well, that makes sense. I want revenge, though. Let's go get them. Wait, do you hear, like, anything that's, like, swishing? Wait, what was that? Was that your propeller that you make? I don't have a propeller. But no, that was not me. Well then, what was it? Oh my gosh! Oh! Numb. My heart's beating so fast right now. Oh gosh. Oh dang. Dragon! That was scary. There they are, the Bok Choy boys. Dum, 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 dum. What a nice day, isn't it? Yeah. Like, we're in the ocean sinking again, remember? Wait, I'm just gonna go and take a look at the edge. Okay, never mind. Don't look at the edge. Wait, what is there? A shark? Ah! I hate sharks. Ah! It's a great white. It's dead. Push it back in the water. Okay. Floating. Huh.